The future of India today is standing.
Well, the future of India is for us to decide, and we will fight it out in India. I don't think it's anybody else's business.
Zeros, and now zeros, and now
Good morning everyone. My name is Sheila Khan. My father's name is Shakil Ahmad Khan. I studying Alpha Lidistan English Convents. Today I will act on Indira Gandhi. हमें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि भारत में ताकत का प्रतीक एक महिला है।